everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys my attempt at the 3-part half up half down. I just think this hairstyle is so cute, so I wanted to try it on myself. Now for me, I struggled with this hairstyle. It took me a good maybe 4 tries to actually get it, and I have attempted this hairstyle before. So yeah, it took me 4 times before I felt like it was presentable. So I just want to share with you all what I did. So starting off, my hair is this is an old silk press, and I have done a previous style on it as well. So my hair is already full of hairspray and beeswax, but nonetheless we're still jumping in trying to make our parts. So of course we have 3 parts. So I'm sectioning off each section of the 3 parts, but I started off sectioning off the up portion of the hairstyle. Just rain down on me, let your love shower me, just rain on me. Full as a dam at capacity, my passion's about to explode. Yeah, I can't escape, it's surrounding me. I'm caught in a storm that I don't need no show. I'm just making sure that everything is really sleek with my beeswax, and I am using black beeswax today. Black beeswax is my favorite. I just feel like it makes everything look super sleek. So now I am actually trying to mold the ponytail. I'm just kind of making sure I get that beeswax on each little section that looks a little sparse in the front. And then I did use hairspray because, again, I want this section to be really, really sleek and flat. But like I said, it took me so long to get it as flat as I could. I don't know if maybe your hair needs to be freshly silk pressed or pressed to do this style easily, but it took me 4 times, you guys. But I had the patience because I wanted to do this hairstyle. It's so cute. But I just want to let you guys know, maybe it'll come easier to you all. I don't know. Let me know if you have the same issue as me, but it took me forever. And then, so now I'm putting the ponytail up, and I ended up having to redo this entire section anyway. Rain down on me, let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Just rain down on me, let your love just shower me, just rain on me. Just rain down on me, let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain.